Well, it's just now getting started, but it's going to be some cool ones here, I could tell. Like this one right here. Nice. What the hell? That's a cool paint job. 2017. There's the Mad Dog again.
Oh yeah, that was handy. Yeah. And they put those little doors, I think, on the side to kind of suck in air, but it was never. Oh yeah, these got cool bits too. Yeah. Hill.
Bronco.
I just want to ask you if I surprised you.
Like there's, like I want a Bronco. It's a certain package. I want these. We were talking about that job.
Yeah. Subtle, yeah.
65. 69 over here. It's nice. (2007) Solstice. Okay. There we go. Hey, hiking with Jackie boy. Well, here's a bunch here for you, Lisa. Here's some Cobras. There's a Z28. Here's an old 42 Chevy. Looks like the Bonnie and Clyde car, huh? Here's a convertible Pontiac. Here's an old Ford Bronco too.
Oh yeah, I want a Bronco, yeah.
Hey Calvin, living with the geezer. How you doing? Happy Labor Day there, Calvin. Calvin, I'm at a car show out here at Choctaw Creek Park. Oh yeah, your Blazer would be nice out here. They'd say, they'd want to buy it from you. Here's one for sale for you guys. Right here.
It's hard to find anybody more carburetors than you. No, pro carburetor.
All right, that's cool. That's cool, Mo. 10 meters. Must be a good weekend. Check out the paint job on this. If Anna was here, she'd love this paint job. The Dark Side. 2017 Challenger. Nice. There's a 57 wagon, man. Look at this.
No. I mean, Shane was sitting there, and we was trying to think about more things.
Yeah, the 57. Yep, that was nice, wasn't it? Here's a Nova or Chevy 2, or whatever they call them. Well, what do you think, you guys? You want me to keep going down this road? Who wants me to go down this road? Say yes.
Yeah.
What do you ask you guys? He said you got a long bed on yours. Yeah. I know. My fishing pole's short bed, right?
There's some around. There's some around here, Mo. Okay, I'll go down this way and then I'll come down the other side and that'll be it. How about that? Here's some Corvettes. Check out this one. This one's a Pontiac Solstice. There you go, Brexton. Here's the doggy van I was talking about. Okay, I started a live stream. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
The dog van. The dog van. You have two well-behaved dogs, though.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. We work all the time.
Uh-huh. That one's a Great Dane?
She's a Great Dane. She's 18 months old. Miss Daisy. This is Mr. Dozer.
Oh, there you go. You're
three.
driving Miss Daisy.
Driving Miss Daisy.
And the other one's a what?
He's a little pitty. He's
Pitbull,
3.
okay. Cool.
He just turned 3. Yeah. You're so smart.
Really. This guy's dog is, oh my God, the dog is bigger than the van.
She's bigger than me. Yeah.
They're going, what are we doing? We could be home right now, Mom.
Yeah, we're getting pets.
Oh, there you go.
We get pets and we get treats.
You get treats. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah.
The doggy van. I like that. Happy doggies. Yep, they were. Here we go. Here's another one for you that love Tiggas. Tigga in Daytona. Look at this. This is your, I got your patina right here, huh? I think it's a 42 or something like that. I looked at it earlier. No, I'm sorry, it's a 37. But look what runs it. A Mopar. And this one's really pretty. This thing just sparkles. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Here's a, what, 78 or 79 square body. My God, look. Just look at the other side. That's just the other row. I'm going, oh my God. Oh, look, there's an old Impala right there. Maybe that's the one that Rebecca was looking for. The one with the fins.
I think it's, yeah, I take that all day long too.
Here you go. Here you go, Mo. A 49 Chevy panel truck. Here you go, Mo. Panel truck with a striker antenna on top. The engine looks good too. I can see you in that, Mo. Here's a GT350. Oh, here's a beautiful Nova. Or a Chevy 2, whatever they are. I can't tell the difference. There's another one right here. Oh, that's old Malibu. Check this out, you guys. Here's a 70 split tail Camaro. Says Rally Sport 375, but check out this engine it's got in it. That looks more than a 375, huh? Here's a Camaro. Sorry, guys. Everybody seems to love these red Novas. There's a Z28. Here is a, what is this? A GT Mustang. But look, here's the original sticker price. Can you see it? With a 390 in it. '68 Chevy C10. This one seems like it's lower though. Definitely lower. Check out this engine though.
That green Mustang.
The Christine car, really. I like this one, man. Look at the color on this, man. C20, not a C10, a C20. '69 model, it was what the tag says. I love the color of that. Here we go. Here's a hot rod. 33 coupe. Where'd my old timers go? Calvin, you recognize this one? Here's a 35 coupe. Here's a Ford Falcon.
Whatever kind of helps protect the road, but it keeps the open. Some of them are doing it.
Put grass on it.
Put grass on it.
Put this grass on it.
That's shag carpet, huh?
Still.
Yep.
People used to put that in the house.
Old school. It's got a bed. Oh man, look at it. It's all over the top also. The green machine.
How do they dry it? Dad, how do they dry it? Look at tiny.
It's dry.
No, like with the tiny.
Okay, Mo, check this one out. Check this out, Mo. This is a '72 Chevelle, but check out the engine it has. Can you read that? Corvette engine in it.
There she is.
Oh, look. Here's some low riders. There's some colorful bugs right there. Yeah, you need an old panel truck like that one, Mo.
Hit the bridge and then it bounced over like on the
This one's all the way on the ground, man. A '72 Datsun. Here's an old Apache. I like the old Apaches. Bye, John Clements. Thanks for stopping in, man. Catch you later.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Roadrunner. See it? Meep, meep, meep. '62 model. Oops, sorry.
Yeah, that's probably the original Mini Cooper.
It looks like one of those.
Yeah.
It looks like one of those cars.
$37. It's another old Camaro, but it's not the split tail, split bumper. It's 71 model. '72 bug, and then a 70 bug. Here's some for you old hippies. $1970. $2001.
1968 American Motors. AMX meaning American Motors Experimental.
67 for sale.
That's why they didn't make only in all 3 years that they really made the two-seater like this is. They only made 5,800 or 15,000. No, 1,500. Yeah, 1,500 of them, and a lot of people have them stored in their garage.
That's pretty, man.
A normal part for this thing, with the exception of the spark plug, is expensive.
Oh, look, here's a Avante. 75.
Coach Reed. Yes, sir. How you doing? Good. Good. Living the good life. Yeah.
Anybody still on here? Nobody's saying nothing, so let's see. There we go. The shaggin' wagon. Just watching. Here you go. Here's the old school Jeep. A CJ5 77. That's what I want. Something like that. I don't know if that bright, but here's an old school Ford Bronco 66. Look at this thing, boy. That's nice. Candy apple red. 62. Here we go. Here's a 57. I don't know what this one is. Let's see. 39 Chevy Coupe. '60 Chevy. Thank you, Bree, for drink a cup of coffee for me too. '57. Oh, look at this. This is different. There you go, Mo, instead of a panel truck. 65. A little bit too small for you, though. But cool, though, because I've never seen one. Cool. Sorry I'm shaking, guys. Said that about shaking, and look at the name of this car. The Shaker.
It's still, you know, something. That's what they had back then. That's what I'm about. The one thing that I did do, because it's a rotation.
29.
Back in the old days.
How many people remember these? The old Chevy Loves.
You want to talk about, you think, what in the world do they think? Because look what I did. I mean, they couldn't do this. And you would sit there and fight this thing, and battery acid all over your hands and all over your arms. And so what I did is I moved it up here. Smartest thing I ever did. And I keep thinking, why General Motors? And this didn't.
Ooh, here's a cool Audi. When I think of Lisa MH, this is what I think she drives. A car like this. Tears up Canada through one of these. Nice looking Nova SS. Here's that famous 454 engine. Oh, you got an orange Jeep? Cool. That is cool. Well, I just thought I'd throw that in there anyway. At least that was pretty good. Good timing. I'll find you a Jeep. 23 Ford Bucket. $29. And you get the guitar player at the back too. Thank you, Silent Forgotten, for stopping in, man. Appreciate it. Thanks. Oh, you're good. You're good. It's just a live stream. You're just in front of thousands of people. That's all. You're welcome, Chris, man. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Look at that. That looks gangsta. Gangsta. Wee doggy, Jethro. The old school Plymouth. Here's one you could take out in the desert. Rat rod. 31 Ford. This thing is all engine, man. Super deluxe. Look at these low riders, man. Ooh, here's a pretty one. 52 Chevy. Nice. I gotta record that one for a short. 52 Chevy. Here's old Monte Carlo.
Where they have it set right now is actually not high enough. It'll rub the fenders.
Thank you for stopping in, Lisa MH. Till next time. Have a good one.
Oh, yeah. And so when it won't start, you're trying to get it to start.
It's an Oldsmobile.
Yeah. Later, guys. All right, take it easy.
Sorry. There's an old Miata. '93 Toyota. That's a Ram. All right, you guys. I'm going to shut it down and finish doing my little shorts. Appreciate you all coming in. And we'll catch you on the next time. soonerJH Travels. We're out here at the Choctaw Creek Park Auto Show, Fall Classic. Enjoyed you guys stopping in, man. Talk to you later. All right? Bye-bye. Bye, Bree. Bye, Brixton. Bye, Mo. Bye, Ray.